You're yanking my tail, Gus. There ain't no way it's that easy.
I was going to say there's no way it's that fun.
I swear on my mother's dorsal fin, you guys, it is exactly that easy and that fun.
Okay, walk me through it one more time. This is blowing my mind.
You know, it really is a beautiful thing how simple things can convey such wondrous complexity.
Stay on target.
Right, okay. So in order to make real, honest-to-goodness butter, all you need is heavy cream and something you can shake real good.
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's do what?
I have the heavy cream and something I can shake real good. Now I want to make me some real honest-to-goodness butter.
Well, I don't know. Are you ready to do the most shaking you ever had to do in your life? I don't want to start this thing unless you're ready.
Bring it on.
I definitely have to stick around for this.
Well, all right, let's go.
Okay.
It's a cooking show. It's a cooking show. Ain't that something? All we need is just this one ingredient. And it's the same ingredient that's used to make yogurt, Greek yogurt, sour cream, buttermilk, half and half cheese, skim milk, 2% milk.
Really, Gus?
That's right, but we'll talk about that another time. Right now, you got a lot of shaking to do. First things first, though, let's move some of that heavy cream into our shaking jar.
Gus, do you think it's really gonna work? I don't want to get my hopes up. I've been hurt before.
Oh, just you wait, Gerald. Just you wait. In no time flat, we're going to have our very own mason jar shaking, making
Okay,
butter cream.
what do I do now?
Now it's shaking time. You're doing great, Lacey.
How much longer, Gus?
You've been doing it for a while, I know, but remember when I said it was going to be the most shaking you ever had to do in your life?
Yeah.
I was not exaggerating.
I don't mind the shaking. It's just a little boring after a while.
If you want, I could maybe spice things up a little bit.
What do you have in mind?
Shakin', making butter. Shakin', making butter. Shakin', making butter. Shakin', making butter. Shake. Alright, now I think we're good. Let's get that butter out the jar and drop it in that bowl of ice water just for a few seconds. Now you can pretty much roll it, or square it, or rectangle it, or turn it into a smiley face. Oh, okay, you went with the ball.
I wish I had a camera.
You know, Gerald, it truly is a workout. Wait a minute. Y'all hear that?
Wasn't me.
Whoa.
My name is Butter, and I'm here to tell you that there are others who try to imitate me.
Cool.
Whoa, 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 whoa. So look a little closer, 'cause there's nothing buttery about them at all.
He does have some talent.
So don't be fooled. Love your friend Butter.
What?
Delicious.
Elise.